Hello everyone, today we are going to start the chapter Matrices. First, consider there are two person A and person B. They are having few number of books and few number of pencils. A person A has 3 books and 6 pencils, whereas the person B has 2 books and 5 pencils. Then arranging this data in a particular order as 3, 6, 2, 5 forms a matrix, where 3, 2, 5, 6 are the elements, or we can say the objects of matrix. Now, a matrix is a collection of well-defined objects, or we can say it is an ordered array of elements. Notation of matrix: a matrix is usually denoted by Aij, where the first number I represents the ith row and the second number j represents the jth column. For example, consider a matrix 8, 5, 6, 7, 4, 10. There are horizontal rows and vertical columns. There are 3 rows, first row, 8, 5, second row, 6, 7, third row, 4, 10. And there are 2 columns, 8, 6, 4 and 5, 7, 10. Name it as a matrix. Order of matrix: a matrix having m rows and n columns. For example, in this case, m is 3. M rows and n columns is said to be a matrix of order m cross, and its order is m cross n, or simply 3 cross 2. An m cross n matrix A may be written as A equal to Aij m cross n, or simply A equal to Aij, where I stand for row and J stand for column. First row, second row, third row, fourth row up to mth row. M is the number of rows, and J 1, 2, 3 up to n. J is for number of rows, n is for number of rows, and J is a row. We can usually denote a matrix as A11, A12 up to A1n, A21, A22, A2n. 1 first row, first column. A12 means first row and second column. A13 means first row and third column, up to so on. A21 means second row and first column, second row and second column, second row and third column, up to so on. It is a general form of a matrix. The above matrix A is of order 3 cross 2. Its order is 3 cross 2, which means there are 3 rows and 2 columns. And the total number of elements can be calculated by multiplying the row and the column, that is 3 into 2, 6. Hence, there are a total of 6 elements, namely 8, 5, 6, 7, 4, 10. Now, types of matrices. There are the following types of matrices. First is row matrix. A matrix having only one row is known as row matrix. For example, 6, 0, 3, there is only one row. And column, first column, second column, third column. The order is 1 cross 3. Hence, it is a row matrix. And also, -2, √2, 1 by 3, 5, there is 1 row and 1, 2, 3, 4 column. The order is 1 cross 4, which means its order is 1 cross n. It's the order of row matrix, where n can be 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Now it comes column matrix. What is a column matrix? A matrix having only one column is known as column matrix. Example 1, 2. This matrix has 2 rows, first row and second row, and only a single column. The order is 2 cross 1, which means row into column. And 1 by 2, 0, √3 minus 5, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, which means 4 cross 1. Its general order is n cross 1, where n can be 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on. Now, rectangular matrix. A matrix of order m cross n is said to be rectangular matrix when m is not equal to n. which means number of rows are not equal to number of columns. For example, in this matrix 1 3 4 2 0 6, there are 1 2, there are 2 rows and 1 2 3 columns. This is m, this is n, and 2 is not equal to 3, that is m is not equal to n. Hence this matrix is rectangular. Similarly, this of order 3 cross 2, 3 is not equal to 2. Now square matrix. A matrix of order m cross n is said to be square matrix if m equal to n. In that case m was not equal to n, but in this case m is equal to n. 2 3 4 5 is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Here m, that is 2, equal to n, that is also 2. Hence this matrix is square, and this is also a square matrix of order 3 cross 3, or we can say its order is simply 3 in this case. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix in which all the non-diagonal elements are 0, which means this is a diagonal. The element which do not lie on this diagonal, for example this and this, are 0. Thus square matrix is a diagonal matrix if aij is equal to 0 for I is not equal to j, which means like this element is a 1 2, first row second column. This element is a 2 1. In this case I is not equal to j, 1 is not equal to 2, therefore this element is 0. And also in this case a 2 1, 2 is not equal to 1, hence the element is also 0, but the diagonal elements are non-zero. This matrix can also be written as diagonal 2 7. Similarly 3 5 1, there are diagonal elements only and non-diagonal elements are 0, as we can see. It can also be written as diagonal 3 5 1. Now scalar matrix. A scalar matrix is a matrix in which all the non-diagonal elements are 0. That is, this is a diagonal element, this is non-diagonal elements are 0 as in previous case, but the diagonal elements are equal, which means this equal to this, like 3 3 5 5 5. So these matrices are known as scalar matrices. Scalar. It can also be written as diagonal 3 3 and diagonal 5 5 5, which means these elements will lie on the diagonal and non-diagonal element should be 0. Okay, thank you.